How to translate direct messages on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on top right corner of your screen to go to messages. Then simply click on the chat you want to translate. After you click on the chat, simply, or if you don't find chat in here, simply go to search bar on top and search the person you want to translate. After you've done that, simply open the chat, hold on to the chat you want to translate, and you'll find translate option, which is the third option. Simply click on it, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on OK, and as you can see, it has been translated. This is how to translate direct messages on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.